What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to do the review of my dad's car. It's actually right here in the garage with me, and it's on jack stands. I'm going to show all of you A3, S3, and I'm not sure if it's RS3, but I know it's for sure A3 and S3 people. You guys have a rattling issue when you guys put on a downpipe without the catalytic converter. So you guys get a rattling that sounds like metal clanking, and I found out where it is, and I'm going to show you guys in this video where it is and how to resolve it. Let's go. Alright, so this is my dad's car. It's an Audi S3 and it's from 2015. It's the Prestige edition. And what he's got done to it are some H&R springs, which you can see through here. They're kind of dirty. He's got H&R springs. He's got rotiform LSR rims on it with the center caps. What else? He's got a downpipe. He's got a resonator delete. He's got Revo Stage 2, and that's the training and engine tune. He's also got all the engine bolt-ons, which I'll show you in a few. And he's got a Maxon Design lip, which is seen here. He's got the RS3 grill, look-alike grill with the German plate on and all that stuff too. And I'll do a walk around of the car right now actually, so let's go. Alright, so to get a better view of his springs, those are his H&R Super Sport springs that he's got in there. He's got the rotiform LSRs, which are a bit dirty right now. He's actually got two different types of center caps. He's got those ones on this side, and on the other side he's got the RFs. And sorry for my fan that's going. It's kind of hot in Florida, as always. Me and him have the matching Sucrum Boys sticker. I have mine over there on that side. He's got an S3, as I was saying before, with the stock muffler, all that stuff. And if you guys want to check out Central Florida Audi group. He's part of that group. They're on Instagram. But yeah, he's got his interior is pretty stock. If anything, he's got the flag there, like I do, and he's actually got a gauge so he can check his coolant. Because these cars don't come with a coolant gauge. Instead, they give you a boost gauge. So when he starts up, he gets the coolant gauge, boost gauge, voltage meter, and all that stuff. He's got a Maxon Design lip, which I actually had to fix once because it snapped really easily. RS3 front end grille. What else is there that he's done? Let's see. Other than that, he's done performance actually. So let's go into performance. Alright, so here we are. He's got a engine closed box intake. He's got a battery box as well. Back there, he's got the turbo inlet and muffler delete. He's got the Forge water, what is it? Windshield washer fluid cap. He got the Forge turbo cover. I wrapped his downpipe going down, which is also a Forge downpipe. It's a catless downpipe actually. He's got the CTS turbo right over here. Where is it? Right there. Let's see, what else has he done? He's got a lot of performance, I'd have to say. I'm gonna go under the car actually and show you guys some of the other things he has underneath. Alright, here we are underneath the car, and he's got a Revo dog bone mount right here, which he replaced from the stock one because he actually broke the stock one with the Stage 2 that he did. And for all of you guys that are wondering, here probably for the video, you know that rattling sound you guys get, the metal on metal sound from the exhaust right here when you go catless? So the sound is from this bracket here where the downpipe connects up to here, this one that bolts up. So the problem is this bracket here, or this hanger I should say here, is too long. You can see how it's sticking out here. So the problem is it's too long, so it ends up going through all the way and hitting this metal. So the rattling you hear is from the engine shaking the downpipe up and down, and it's hitting this, and it's making the metal rattling sound that you guys hear all the time. So a way to combat that is to either cut this off and weld it back before you end up putting this in, or you can put a sound deadening like what I did here. You can push this thing back a little bit, and then you can squeeze some sound deadening in between, which will keep it from hitting here, making metal to metal contact, which stops the noise altogether. But if you look at it, it moves a lot. So like if I take this, I can move it up and it ends up touching the sound deadening, or I can push it back and it moves back. So that's the problem with the rattling sound for all you guys, Audi A3, S3 guys who end up putting the non-catalytic converter downpipe in. And I definitely recommend doing this upgrade if you go stage 2, because it helps a lot with flex. If you keep the stock one, I suggest replacing it immediately, because they end up going out really fast, especially if you like to drive hard like my dad. But yeah, and then another weird thing, Audi went plastic. I don't know why, but they have a plastic oil pan, plastic drain plug. It's crazy. But let me get out from underneath here. It's kind of crimped. So yeah, back to what I was saying before. He's got an Audi S3 with Revo Stage 2 making 398 or something, some type of horsepower like that, close to 400. He's got all of the motor upgrades, the bolt-ons, I guess you would say, with the IS38 turbo. Only thing he's missing is the intercooler, actually. But other than that, it's pretty good. And I'm going to start it up for you guys really quickly so I can show you the gauge. So there's the gauge. I have one as well now. And when you start it up, it sounds like this. So instead of him having this boost gauge, instead of having a coolant gauge, he has a boost gauge here. So there's his coolant gauge right there. And he can go through, you get speed, tack, fuel consumption, all of this here. This is actually boost if you guys want to look at numbers. But he leaves it there, that way he can see, he can watch his coolant temperature actually. And yeah, so this is the stock digital gauge, etc. And I'm gonna give you a sound clip of the car actually. So let me put you guys back here really quickly. But yeah, there's a walk around of my dad's car. It's quote unquote stock, and not gonna lie, he's got some good fitment. Just look at that. It's nice. He's got what is it? 18 by 9.5 ET35 wheels. If you guys are asking, I won't reveal tire size because that I'll keep that confidential. But yeah, there's my dad's car. And there's also some help for you guys with the that rattling problem underneath your subframe. It may or may not help you guys, but that was our rattling issue. We solved it, and now the car's actually really quiet inside. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I gotta do an upgrade of update of the other car, the Mark IV. I know I'm kind of iffy on these videos. It's a little hard. I'm trying to get back into the routine of doing stuff, and it's kind of weird talking to a camera. I'm not used to it yet, but you guys let me know what I gotta do to like upgrade, or like not upgrade, but like be better at this. It's kind of hard. I'm not sure. I don't remember how to do this stuff. It's a lot harder than it seems, honestly. But let me know what I should do to make my channel better. Let me know what I can do to make car content better. The next video will either be me doing a walk around the other car, or me doing some stuff to my car, because I have to do some stuff to fix my audio. But yeah, let me know what you do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.